We are out here today getting it in. All of these cucumbers gotta go, so I got my workers out here today. They out here picking. Let's take a look. Oh, how many you picked already? So you picked 2. How many you picked? You got 5 already? Ooh. This is 6 right here. Number 6. Okay.
I got this mosquito buzzing in my ear.
Yeah, those mosquitoes are crazy. Mosquitoes love humans.
Well, they're not this human.
How many you got?
4.
Got 4?
Here's a lemon cucumber.
Yeah, get that lemon cucumber too. So look how this is dead. That's because I think we kept some of these cucumbers on too long. And because we kept them on too long, so you can stand on this. That's what this is for. Put it where you need it. Because we kept the cucumbers on there too long, I don't know if that's gonna help. It died out, so now we over here harvesting. Let's see what you got.
6.
You got 6? Okay. Dang!
Take this lemon cucumber? Yeah.
Yeah, get that lemon cucumber. Let's get it all. How many you at? You stop counting?
This is 11.
11. You about to tell a whole trellis down, Marjorie?
Ooh.
Marjorie. Good. Good, because it's already raggedy, right? All right, what else we got? What else? Off the, well, it's all? What we got? What we looking like, y'all? Get the pepper? How big is it? I'm trying to put this. Let me see. I don't know. You want to pull it? Here's one, but I was thinking about letting these get a little bit bigger. Yeah, look at these.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Did you know they get bigger than that? Huh?
That's a big watermelon.
Yeah, it's like 3 or 4 of them. That I probably should turn that board upside down. Yeah, how many bell peppers you got in here?
12.
12?
A dozen.
You got a dozen? A dozen peppers? We'll leave these right there. Okay. There was a pepper. Oh, here go a cucumber right here. Where the thing at? It's right here.
There's another one over there too.
This one just came right off.
You want some? Can I get it?
I probably should take this off. Look, y'all, this didn't make it. We was gonna let it get bigger, but go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead, you can take it. Let's take this off, you all.
Sure.
Yeah, if you want it.
Mine.
You want it? Go ahead.
That's a bigger one right there. There's another one up there, Keith. That's a big one right there.
Here, take this, please. You can step in. Come on, step in, Mom.
You can let it get big. There's another one over there. I see another big one over
there. There's
there.
one over there.
Excited?
It's another one. It's another one up here.
Right here. Watch it back. Right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
We need to. Should we let that one get bigger?
Okay. You say so.
So when we come back, cause there's one up top over there too.
You got 2 big bell peppers.
It's this one too, but this is a baby. Yeah, what's up with this one? What y'all think about this?
Which one?
This one right
That's
here.
dead. Hey, that's
Yeah.
a pepper cucumber.
R.I.P. you all. Moment of silence. All right, keep going.
You said keep the
What did you do? Where did you put your cucumbers at?
in the back.
In the back seat? Okay.
There's a right there.
Ooh, like you went to the store, baby. So how many you all would you say we got? Don't know till we go and check it out.
5, 6, 7.
You got 7 in here?
And a lemon cucumber.
Okay. 12 and 7, we got a total of 19. We said it was about 19 over there, and we still left like, how many would you say we left? Like at least 4 or 5. I'll come over here and water all this. Still got them cucumbers. You know it's four watermelon over here. You know that, right?
I see
So it's one right there,
one right there.
one right here, and one right here, and one right here.
It's a little one already grow somewhere over there.
No, the plant, and there's one right there. Like these, I feel like these are still the same size. That's why we need to come and find and trace these vines back and see where it stems from and go from there. So, all right, you all, thank you all so much for helping me. Until next time.
Which is tomorrow.
Till tomorrow.